Well, we're working on getting the whip lights on. They have a spring end, just like an antenna. So all I've done here for this side, the same on this one. This little plastic insert's got some clips on it. Get it pulled out, and I just stuck it in the hole there. So you can get a good shot of up in there. It's a little tight space. But yeah, pretty simple. Just tighten up lock washer and washer nut under here. Sitting pretty good. I don't see it shaking. You can see it's whipping around pretty good. These holes are just a hair, I mean just slightly too big, or bigger than I'd prefer. But this washer just barely touches the outside of it, so we're making it work. I'll get this one stuck in here and we'll take another look at it. They stand pretty tall. They're not perfectly level with each other, but hey, it's the HORNY mower. It's perfect in its own sense. So I kind of like how it's going so far. Get it wired up. It's pretty much, for the most part, plug and play. That's a 3-pin connector and another 3-pin. It's got this controller here. Negative, positive. And flip around so the camera can see it better. Left and a right side. So yeah, we'll get this thing hooked up and see how it goes. These fittings here are really nice. It tells you to line the arrows up together and the 3 prongs slide right in. Then somewhere way down here, there's a cap. Fell down. Get it back up here. If you look close, you can see it's threaded. They provided this dust-proof and I'm assuming water-resistant cap. Threads on here, and that's just nice. Keep it from pulling unplugged and help keeping dust, dirt, and water out of it. I like it so far. So this wire they sent me is a much thinner gauge than the connectors that I have. So all I did was, see if we can get the camera to focus here. All I did was strip it about twice as long as you normally would. Come on, camera. Let's see here if we can. There it goes. And then I doubled it back on itself just to increase the thickness of it, so it'll take up room in this butt connector, and when I go to crimp it, it won't pull out. So easy little fix there. Well, folks, we got her wired up here. I'm sorry if the background noise is pretty loud. It's I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty wet out there. It's decided to rain on us. You can kind of see the gravel under that trailer is dry, lighter color. But anyways, we got the remote here that it came with. It's got a on and off. You can change the colors on it. It's pretty cool. It's got an app that I'll eventually link up to. It's got different settings. So we're going to cut the lights off and see what it looks like. She is definitely bright, you guys. I don't think they'll have any problem seeing us coming down the road. yeah, I'm pretty happy with this so far. But right now, it's just running off this remote. So I'm going to try to get a switch wired up and we'll see how that goes. You can see here we got 2 flags on the top of the whip lights. And I found a mode that I like pretty good. So we're going to check it out and see what she looks like with the flags on in the dark. I think they show up pretty nice. I'm very pleased with how they turned out. God bless America. So grateful to live in such an amazing country. But heck yeah, y'all. I think she's turned out pretty good. One step at a time. My buddy Brandon, y'all seen him on the video where he put a bumper in his truck. He's going to help me rig up some rock lights. Still got a nitrous kit. Get a few more parts and pieces for that. Colder spark plug. And we're gonna take the mower out. Thinking about putting her in a 4th of July parade. I think the kids would get a kick out of the horns at least. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it, and hitting the like button, subscribing, commenting. I mean, every bit of that helps the channel, especially as small as ours, to grow. And every bit of watch time really helps grow the channel, and I'm ecstatic for the ones that are in there from the beginning with me so far. And my buddy Travis, I talked to him earlier. We got a pretty cool couple video ideas coming up in the next few months. So I really hope y'all stick around. Thanks for watching.